Hey friends, welcome back to Anthony Knows. No judgment, your story matters. Today's letter comes from Sam, who writes, I left my old job to help run my family's business. Now I want to go back, but my former boss won't trust me and has turned me down. Ouch, that stings, right? You give your word, then it feels like the door slams in your face. First off, Sam, I hear you. Rejection is a punch in the gut. Your confidence might be wobbling. It's okay to feel hurt, disappointed, even a bit embarrassed. Psychology tells us that self-compassion can help heal this faster. Treat yourself like you treat a friend. Say to yourself, I did my best, I learned, and I deserve respect. Now, how do you rebuild that trust? Here are 3 simple steps you can start today. 1. Own your story. Write a short note or email to your old boss. Begin with gratitude. Thank them for the time you spent together. Acknowledge the choice you made and why you did it. Then, share what you've learned since. Keep it honest and brief. This shows you respect their time and your own mistakes. Let's talk about it. Show, don't just tell. Trust grows from small wins. Offer to help on a specific, low-risk task. Maybe it's a short project or weekend support. Deliver it on time, with extra care. This is like building a new bridge, plank by plank. And guess what? Even tiny successes sound loud and clear to someone watching from the other side. 3. Build skills and confidence. While you wait for their reply, sharpen a skill they value. If they love clear reports, take a mini course in business writing. If teamwork matters, volunteer on a local project. You not only boost your resume, but you remind yourself you still have a lot to give. A little humor for the road. Trust issues are more common than Wi-Fi outages, but they can be fixed with the right router settings. Honesty, reliability, and consistency. Remember, you are not defined by one no. Life is full of open doors, and sometimes we need to knock on a few before one swings wide. If after all this, your old job still says no thanks, well, don't see it as a final failure. It's a redirection. Use your new skills and confidence to find a role that truly values your growth. Network with former colleagues. Ask for referrals. Or explore fresh paths where your family business experience. It's a golden ticket. Sam, every big setback carries a lesson packet inside. You've collected new insights about commitment, communication, and self-worth. Carry those with you, and you'll land somewhere that sees your real value. That's all for today's big failure in life. You are braver than you think. Sam, keep knocking, keep growing, and remember, your story matters right here on Anthony Knows. See you next time.